Hello guys, today we're gonna make Dakgalbi, which is Korean spicy chicken stew. All you need are some deboned chicken meat, some cabbages and leek or scallions, big scallions, and onion, as well as gochujang and red pepper flakes. So why don't we get started by slicing this cabbage first. You can slice the cabbage into thin slices, julienne the cabbages. You can just roughly cut it. The size doesn't matter. And anyways, they're gonna wilt inside the stew. Anyways, just rough cut like this. Next, we're gonna cut onions. For spring onions, you can just rough cut it as well. For chickens, just slice them to bite sizes. Since they are deboned, they're very easy to use. It comes really handy. So we can start off with cold pan. It doesn't really matter. That's how we eat it. We start off with the cold pan, we put everything in here, and then start hitting. So next we're gonna put some red pepper flakes and gochujang. About 2 tablespoons of red pepper flakes and 2.5 tablespoon of gochujang. Remember, you can always add more if it's not enough, but you cannot take away if it's too salty or too spicy. So if you see on the lid here, you can spot some water drops that's formed inside. This means that water from all the vegetables and chicken is being released out of them. Okay, we're gonna start mixing this. So it's better to use wooden spoon or wooden spatula. I'm not touching the sides because it's still spoon. So if you're really cautious about your non-stick pans, then always make sure you use wooden ones or even silicones. It's time for mirin. About 2 tablespoons of mirin. So after putting mirin in, it's important that you leave the lid out so that alcohol is going to evaporate. So to finish off, we're going to put some shredded cheese onto the stew. A bit generous.